Good day, everyone. This is a requested tutorial on professorial jobs in New Zealand. So first I went on Google and typed in Education Gazette. This is for professorial jobs in education. So click on vacancies, Education Gazette. Then down here where it says select a region, you can just select New Zealand nationwide. Select a sector, then you would go into tertiary because, it's professorial jobs we're looking for. Learning areas and strands doesn't really matter, but if you feel like you want to do it, then click on the New Zealand curriculum. Position type, if it's full-time or part-time, you can choose and go into search. At the moment, there are 4 opening positions that you can see. Let's have a look at one of these. This is with Te Reto Maioha Early Childhood New Zealand. They're looking for a lecturer, senior lecturer, Bachelor of Teaching, primary, in various locations. This is for full-time permanent, and you have here the description and how to apply. So send your CV to this person here. Now for other professorial jobs in New Zealand, I went back into Google search bar and I typed in professorial jobs in New Zealand, enter, and on the top here you can see Seek. Seek is also a very good website to use to look for jobs. So click on that. Now you can see here multiple job openings in different universities. So you can see a lecturer or senior lecturer, associate professor in law, clinical lecturer, in different universities. There's Massey University, the University of Waikato, and many more. And if you want to look into the details, just click on the title of the job opening. It should give you the description. So over here, the University of Canterbury is looking for a lecturer or senior lecturer or associate professor-in-law. And everything you need to know really, who you are, who you will work with, and why you should choose them, what they offer. A lot of these universities actually offer relocation support, but if you're based overseas, you might want to ask them whether they can support you too. How to apply. The next website we're going to look at for professorial jobs in New Zealand is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also a pretty good site to look for jobs on. Right. As you can see here, there's lecturer English, Manukau Institute of Technology, lecturer ECE, lecturer or senior lecturer. Okay, I think that might be the same as the one that we saw on Ed Gazette. There's Dean, Faculty of Science, the University of Auckland, midwifery lecturer, nursing lecturer, lecturer in human performance science. And if you click on that, you will see this here. If you want to see the description of this job, then just click on Show More. And then you should see all the details here about the role, who they're looking for, and who they are, and some more details that you might want to know, and when the applications close. The next job site we're going to look at is Jorah NZ. Click on Jorah, and should show you the vacancies here. Up the top here in the boxes, you can actually type in what position you're looking at, professor or maybe a lecturer, and what field. You can even go into this nurse lecturer, lecturer psychotherapy. Let's have a look at nurse lecturer. And where it says where, you can type in the cities or regions where you want to teach, let's say Auckland region, search jobs after, and you can see the results here. We've got lecturer oral health, lecturer midwifery, clinical nurse educator, Auckland region. Click on that to see the description of the job. So you can see the role, what you'll be doing, what you'll bring, who they are, what they offer. And over here you can see view or apply for job if you want to apply for this job. The next job site we're going to look at is Jooble NZ. So over here, click on that. And this is what their site looks like. They have filters. You can select what sort of employment type you're looking for, any near me or remote job, date of posting. So if you want the latest one, you can do last 3 days or 24 hours or 7 days. You can also select the salary, could be hourly or weekly or whatever. Look, higher than 850 and others. You can just leave it on any. Work experience, could be internship or any experience. Type of employment, full-time, temporary, or part-time. So let's click full-time. And amazing. Now, because we're looking at professorial jobs, on the search bar, just type in professor. You can actually type in the specific job you're looking for. I typed in professor and it came up with computer science, professor computer science, music professor, university professor, physics professor. Let's say university professor. Okay, there's heaps of ads up there, but scroll down. You can see Potter Interior Systems, limited price in architecture, heaps of them. Senior lecturer, associate professor in anesthesia, and so many others. Lecturer, senior lecturer, or associate professor in psychology. And if you click on that, if that's what you're looking for, if there is a particular university that you want to get a job in or that you want to work for, you can also go straight to their website and look for job openings there. Say, when I typed in Professorial Jobs NZ, it came up with some universities, say the University of Canterbury. If I click on this, it shows the job openings that they've got, and there's heaps. Let's have a look at the University of Auckland. Wow, they also have heaps and heaps of job openings. There's the University of Otago. Click on that, and yeah, the last one that we're going to look at is the University of Waikato. You can see here staff vacancies, and it will open a new tab for you, basically, and you just have to browse. Anyway, good luck with your job hunting. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you a little bit.